Leigh is an artist that is currently based in New York, but it was originally born in Chicago. And lately she's been gaining a lot of recognition, which we're all really excited about. She works a lot, primarily in ceramics, but has done a lot of installations, sound and video works as well. She's an artist that focuses a lot on the Black female subjectivity, looking at the resilience and power within that as opposed to the fragility and the weakness. That really encapsulates her focus and what she wants to transmit through her work. The term Trophallaxis, the title of the work, is a scientific work that talks about how insects transfer food and nourishment to one another. And this is something that, this idea of labor and community is very important to Simone Leigh. I hope that as visitors come into this space, notice that this is the only sculpture in the space. It'll have this impact and power over the presence of the visitor, and really consider what Simone Leigh is trying to do within her, not only this work, but various other works, where the idea is to not look at the violence and the fragility of Black femininity, but see how these figures and identities are powerful and resilient.